What is a teach pendant in industrial robots? A robot teach pendant is a handheld device used to control and program industrial robots. It allows users to teach robot positions, adjust movements, and interact with the robot system in real time. Why teach pendants are essential in robotics? Industrial robots require human guidance during setup, programming, and maintenance. The teach pendant provides a safe way to control, test, and troubleshoot robot operations. Key functions of a robot teach pendant. The teach pendant enables precise manual control and programming of industrial robots. Key functions include jogging robot axes, teaching positions and motion paths, editing robot programs, monitoring system status. How the teach pendant controls the robot. The teach pendant does not move the robot. It sends commands. The controller executes motion. The controller is the brain of the robot. Main parts of a teach pendant. Key switch, handle, emergency stop switch, display screen, keypad area. A teach pendant combines control, safety, and visualization in one device. Typical use scenarios: initial robot installation and calibration, production changeovers for new tasks, routine maintenance and troubleshooting. Safety features: emergency stop, immediately stops the robot in emergency situations. Enabling switch, requires continuous user input to allow robot motion. Reduced speed operation, limits robot speed during manual operation for safer control. Common teach pendant brands: AB known for user-friendly design. FANUC offers advanced functionality in their teach pendants. KUKA teach pendants are built for durability and precision. Yaskawa pendants are designed for easy operation and control. Mitsubishi teach pendants ensure reliable performance in automation. Genuine and replacement handheld controllers.